Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a case with Amazon Seller Support. Whether you have a question, need help with a technical issue, or are facing challenges with your listings, creating a case with Amazon Seller Support is the best way to get assistance. First, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're logged into Seller Central, hover over the Help button in the upper right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, click on Get Help and Resources. This will take you to the Support section where you can begin creating your case. Now you'll be prompted to choose the issue you're facing. Amazon offers several categories such as your account, listings, orders, and more. Select the category that best matches your problem. For a faster resolution, you can explain your issue directly over a call with Amazon Seller Support. Let me show you how. First, click on My Issue is not listed. In the description box, type your issue, for example, Account Issue, and click Continue. Next, you'll need to confirm your issue. Again, select My Issue is not listed, and now you'll see the issue category. From here, you can select the issue you're facing. For this example, I'm selecting account related. You can choose any other like FBA related if you are facing issue with FBA, and boom, we're ready to proceed. Here you can change your language and select the language from the drop-down. Now, if you want to connect via chat, simply click Chat Now, and you'll be connected to an Amazon representative. If you'd prefer to speak over the phone, select the phone option. Enter your phone number and country code, and then click Call Me Now. Amazon Seller Support will call you immediately to resolve your issue. You can track your case progress in your case log. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, Tips and Tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.